Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1994 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. A PLA can be used A as a microprocessor, B as a dynamic memory, C to realize a sequential logic, D to realize a combinational logic. PLA, the meaning of PL, the abbreviation for the PLA is programmable logic array. Programmable array logic is going to be used to realize a combinational logic. We have different types of programmable logic devices, okay, starting from RAM. So we have so many different types of programmable devices starting from RAM. Okay, we can also start with MUX. MUX, that is nothing but multiplexer, RAM read-only memory, and next PLA, programmable logic array, and next PAL, programmable array logic, and CPLD, complex programmable logic device, FPGA, field programmable logic device. These are the types of logic devices available from basic to advanced. So basic is nothing but multiplexer, latter RAM read-only memory, programmable logic array, and next PAL, programmable array logic, CPLD, FPGA. CPLD abbreviation is complex programmable logic device, FPGA, field programmable gate array. And out of this one, the MUX, RAM and PLA are going to be used to realize, okay, realize combinational logic functions, realizes combinational logic functions, combinational logic functions, because they doesn't have any memory element inside. They doesn't have any memory element inside in their architecture, so that they cannot used for the sequential logic. Sequential logic implies nothing but the basic difference between sequential logic and combinational logic is it must contain at least one memory element. But MUX, RAM, PLA doesn't contain any memory element, so that they will be used only for the realization of combinational circuits. Whereas PAL, CPLD and FPGA are going to be used for the sequential circuit, sequential logic circuit realization. They will be used for, okay, because they internally consisting of memory elements, that is nothing but flip-flops will be consisting of internally along with combinational elements, so they will be used for the sequential logic. So the right answer for this question is nothing but PLA can be used as to realize a combinational logic. Okay. Thank you.